Hello and welcome to this video. Today I found a new Telegram miner bot for PEPE mining. So I tried to search what is this robot actually do, but I didn't find any verified Twitter or any verified accounts. So this robot works like this. You claim every time you open the robot in Telegram, so you receive a PEPE here. So I got about 2 millions of PEPEs here, but the withdrawal needs to be with diamonds. So if you want to withdraw, you need to have diamonds to transfer that PEPE to your account, and the exchange system, it's Telegram robot. It's not something that usually see in exchange applications or websites. So I tried this. I couldn't withdraw anything because needs a lot of diamonds here to transfer, and the transfer system is something like named Rovix. So it's another Telegram bot. You can use it to exchange. I didn't transfer anything, I didn't withdraw anything, but I checked the Twitter account. I saw some withdraw and some posts about the community. The users are 1 million, but a lot of things here, but there is no any verified by Twitter or any verified Telegram accounts. So the best thing I saw here was the channel. So I tried to go to the channel here. I saw a lot of things, a lot of transfers, YouTube, and a lot of withdrawals, a lot of things here, but I couldn't withdraw it yet. So, and there is something interesting here. It's contact us. So when I try to click on contact us, I get on a profile that says Zara and random name and there's pictures on the profile. So I don't know if this is working or not, but it was interesting to show this bot is working, and it's showing a lot of things. Like when you go to the channel, you see a lot of things here, like this Rovix here, and transfers, and a lot of things. But I don't know if it works or not, but I tried to get a lot of gems to do a single transfer to see if it's work or not. But if you want to try it, it's just free and you don't need to buy anything or deposit anything on this. So I will put the link on the bio, so just try to work on it, see you get any results of it or not. I get about 2 millions, but I cannot transfer it because when I want to withdraw, it sent me to Rovix, swap bot, and I need to, whoa, it took so long. So for withdrawing here, you need gems, diamonds here, that I got just I think 15 of them, and it's enough to withdraw. But I put the link in the bio, so try. It's free. It doesn't need to deposit anything. Just try it. The Twitter is not verified, but the withdrawals are correct. Sometimes works. I got about a 2 million, but I couldn't transfer it or withdraw it because I don't have enough diamonds here. Just try to check the robots. It's not something you want to click on it. It's daily reward, or hours actually, 3 hours for receiving your reward, and you can open new sands with unlocking. You can unlock the sense. It costs about 5 diamonds to unlock new sense. 8 cents give you more PEPEs than the previous one. So just try it. Don't deposit anything, and try to see to get the result or not. And about the wallet things here, oh, lucky draw. I had to test it. So easy Veen PEPE in Telegram. So click on the screen. So login timeout, please log in again. Okay, just try to check whatever it is, and don't deposit anything on this one because it's not verified on Twitter or any other platforms, but it's saying it's working. Thank you so much for watching this video.